everybody, welcome back. For those who are new, my name is Carrie and today we are packing, cleaning up the entire house before we head out on our flight to Las Vegas. Our flight takes off at about 6:30. We're trying to get to the airport about 4 and right now it's about 10:15. So we have a long day of packing, cleaning up because Kira and JP literally just left, making sure the cats are all set up for their sitter, that they can't get into anything and tear the house down. So we had a lot to do. I'm exhausted. We went to bed late. Kira and JP got up at 3:30 in the morning to head to the airport for their flight. But yeah, enjoy this vlog. It'll be kind of like cleaning montage, hopefully a little bit aesthetic. And then let's head to Vegas because we got a really fun week coming up ahead of us. Okay, so my goal is to get all the little things off the list first. I feel like when you tackle the easy things, it makes you feel more productive because you're like, okay, I'm checking this, and that off. I'm gonna start with the cats. So we need to do their revolt, clip their nails, and then I'm gonna go on to like filling their water fountain, topping their food up, making sure all that's good. I already took out their litter. We just got the litter genies. So yeah, let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so Leia is really good. She lets me clip her nails, but she hates being on her back. Leia's all done. Nala does not mind being on her back, but after a while she gets anxious and she doesn't like me clipping her nails, especially if she's in like a goofy mood. And they know they get lots of treats after. Both cats are done. Now we're gonna do the revolt. Leia also, once again, doesn't mind this. Nala, I think, is traumatized from it because when she was a kitten, she had fleas. And we got her hearts. I know, please don't. Yeah, it was terrible. And she was screaming when we put it on her and I immediately washed it off because I was terrified. And then, you know, I find out hearts not. So then we got real prescriptions, Revolt. It's like the cheaper brand of Revolution. We do this every month for them, even though they're indoor cats, but better safe than sorry. You never know. Leia also had fleas when we first got her. All right, Nala, come here. Yeah, Nala hates this. She's still traumatized from it. Yeah, Nala hates that. Okay, cats are good. Let's go finish everything else. Okay, they get lots of treats for being so good, so we're just gonna sprinkle some and let them enjoy. All right, we got their food. We're gonna top it up. Watch how crazy these cats are when I do this. Animals, literal animals. Oh, excuse me. She looks like she hasn't eaten in days. Like, hello, you ate this morning. I just gave you a ton of treats. Okay. No. All right, we're only gonna be gone 5 days. I just cleaned their water fountain like less than a week ago, so this should be good for them. This can hold, I believe, up to 70 ounces, and it's stainless steel, so it's supposed to help not harbor as much bacteria as like a plastic one. We used to have a plastic fountain. Coffee's starting to run through me. I'm starting to wake up a little bit more. I also feel a little more productive because I got a lot of the easy cat stuff out of the way. So we're gonna put away these board games. These are what we took to Thanksgiving, played with Kira and JP. This is always a mess because we have too many and not enough space. So it's like playing Tetris with them all. And we got a couple new ones, like hello, Nala. This is a brand new board game, so I'm not surprised if that stuff doesn't fit. Ooh, do you think this is gonna fit? Now we don't have space to put these. Hide it all. Board games put away. We're in the midst of doing laundry. Dishes are kind of done. All the dirty stuff's in there, so we'll check that off. We need to clean out the fridge and then all this stuff that we gotta do in the fish tank. Since they were here, we had gone grocery shopping. We made a ton of meals, so now we gotta clean everything out, which is really sad. But I think we did pretty well. Like this, we ate these leftovers like 3 times yesterday for like breakfast, lunch, and then like a little later snack. I made that the other day. These are sweet potatoes from Thanksgiving that we had taken. Chia seed pudding, which I might eat some of this morning, but it is probably going bad. I made it about a week ago. All these vegetables are gonna go bad. These are already going bad, the moisture you can see. All these avocados that we never ate. Should we try and make them for breakfast? These are also gonna go bad. I think the carrots should be okay. Onion should be okay. Celery's wrapped. I feel like that should be okay. This is open. Thyme. These sausages we can probably freeze. Oh, we never made the bell peppers.
I'm scared about leaving.
Turkey, sell or freeze by November 25th. Yikes. Little soup, we can try and finish this as well. We got eggs in there, that should be fine. The bread's good, we'll eat this for lunch. Oh, we never made these with them. Forgot to make these cookies with Kira JP. Fridge should be okay. We'll see what we eat and then clean out the rest, but otherwise I'm gonna take care of all of this.
Christmas tree, you think?
Anthony likes to put the little emojis. From the looks of it, the last biggest thing, move Christmas tree, we'll do that later, like before we leave. Last one is packing, which I'm dreading. And then the other ones, we gotta like go out and buy stuff. And then fish tank, we don't have enough time because Anthony's race starts soon that he really wants to watch. So we'll have to do that after. So the last two are just that and packing. So we have all this laundry. We also have 2 more loads, but I wanna pack because that's like the biggest thing on the list. I could do toiletries and like, I need to get all my work stuff and make sure I don't forget that. I think I'm gonna do that, but then otherwise, while he's watching his race, I think I'm just gonna edit my videos, maybe just relax because we've had no time to relax in the past week, but then we need to get back to grinding. Let's go. I'm bringing this backpack because I need to do 2 laptops, my work, my personal. We want to both bring our Steam Decks, obviously. We also need to figure out what we're doing because we don't have a lot of plans besides like he has his work events and then like what else are we doing? We need to make sure we plan according to that along with the weather. So that's going to be a lot of mental capacity that I think we're going to sit down and like plan everything we need. I have a ton of toiletries, like medication, stuff like that. I need to make sure all of that gets packed. So we got to sit down and create a list. So that's what we're going to do. We got the tree in the bathroom and this is how he's gonna get out. We don't want to risk the cats getting tangled in it while we're not here, so we just got back from Target and Petco. We got all the stuff we need. Now we gotta pack. We have to leave for the airport in literally an hour, so let's do this. I think I have all my clothes. I have like 5 casual outfits, 2 nicer outfits, a nicer jacket, heavier jacket, workout clothes in case we do Zion, all that fun stuff. Anthony's getting his stuff together. I think we need to work on toiletries now. I've already started putting everything together just because we slept over the other night, so everything was already put together. Brush and comb. Guess we got a little buddy coming with us. Don't mind all the laundry in the back. We don't really have time to fold it. Personal laptop, work laptop. I'm gonna do a hoodie, book. So, little update. Our flight got delayed until 8, so we were supposed to leave at 6:30. It's not leaving till 8, so we have time, I guess. Now we don't have to be at the airport till like 6, but still. We're gonna try and finish this up. I guess we can finish the rest of our chores. Chargers, Aura Ring charger, phone charger. Cannot forget my AirPods, Apple Watch charger. It has actually 3, so USB-C, Lightning, and then Apple Watch. So we got this for Japan. It's useful. Sleep mask, medication. Whole bag is just chargers. Steam Deck, I'm gonna go put it in this case though. Steam Deck, sunglasses, regular glasses. Excuse me, I need to get in here. Thank you. Let me check my list to see what else we need. Here's my little purse. I think that's my personal item is packed. So I think that's everything. Now I'm gonna relax, finish up the rest of our chores. Let's hope I'm not forgetting anything, but worst case, I always tell myself you can just buy something there. Just made it through security. Finally made it. It's 11:30 Vegas time, which is 2:30 a.m. Eastern time. I gotta get up at 6 a.m. for work tomorrow morning, but I'm so excited. Everything looks so cool. You guys have to look outside. Like, look, oh my gosh. Anyways, I think that's all that I have for you guys today for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoy, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Yeah, neither of us need, I cannot open this. But yeah, I gotta sneeze. Oh, I'm spilling. Okay.